Yasu, is your first time? Huh? It's okay.
Sorry.
No worries. Yasu, you like Domino Park? Huh? Yasu. Where you want to go now? Want to go across for the shade? Come on. Go across. No shade. Huh? Want to meet some new friends? Huh? Yasu, you want a margarita? Huh? You want a margarita? He's nice. He don't bite.
He don't bite.
Yasu, you like it better in the shade? Huh? You like it better in the shade? Want some of my coconut ice? Oh, Mommy's going to eat it. Company. His name is Yasu. 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 Say hello. Say hi.
Yeah, she's normally more like that. Yeah.
We're waiting for the groomer to come during the week.
Yeah.
Can't go near his face to cut his face.
Oh, really? Yeah, she normally looks like yours.
Even they have to put a little muzzle on it. When she tries to, yeah.
Really?
Nice.
You scared? Mommy saved you.
Nice, Yasu.